15, the views in Archi is adding new relation to the view from palette, not from, it cannot be add directly from model tree for a new relationship. So that is the way, so we need to try to learn. So come to our chapter 6. So if you want to make our new relation to the view, is require those connection tool is here on this top one, and drag from one element to the view on the view to another. So for example, is I try to make just our association. So from this one, then I hold my mouse and I starting to drag. If on another element is you have this plus sign that you can release your mouse, then that is working. Or you need to, before release, you need to click again. So let me see. So if I have this one, click, drag, you should click again. So that is similar like what is mentioned here is you just have click and release your hands, and then that will follow you. So it's like it's you hold or this mouse key or not is no difference. So come to any element. So you can see here is the two parts is mentioned here. So ArchiMate element can connect to other element by a given side of the relation. So now I'm trying to use flow. So from our technology events to our technology function, you see this plug symbol. That means this is allowed by the ArchiMate relationship. But if you want to put that to our value stream from the technology events, this is look like our not allowed symbol. So you can only create our relationship is using this allowed the set. What's this set is I introduced that in very early video is come to help the second from bottom is ArchiMate relation. This one is like our dictionary matrix. So let's evaluate is I want to see a flow. So that is short is F, and check is from the technology events. So source is on this row. So technology events is this one, and I want connect a technology function. So go to right. So that is the function. So you have this one, then you can see the allowed event as source function as target is FOTV, F including flow. That is fine. But if you scroll to the left, is this is the value stream. So you can see it's only allow association from technology events to value stream. So that is maybe difference from this vice versa this relationship. For example, is for this one looks like it's no difference. It's also O, but for some parts is may not be the same. For example, from a passive this application, the part is like is a business object. So you can see here is normally is object to our business actor is O, just the association. But business object, let's see, to the this business, this is the object. So this one is AO, so I can have the proactive access relation. So that is the set of the allowed relationship from the ArchiMate. So if you want to learn more about this relationship, the rules and the regulations, try to find time to read ArchiMate language specification. One another point is I will mention is as you add element from the palette, that is the same as add element in the view from palette is this relationship is also automatically added into the model tree. So within this relation folder. And when add a new connection in a view, if the same type of the model relation already exists. So like is I already have one flow and I want to add another flow. So this window or dialog is popping up. So it's asked is your decision. A relationship of this type already exists between this technology event and the technology function 2. Select this one or use new. If you use new, you will create a second flow. That is quite common. Is if you are trying to model application to application integration, it can transfer the multiple the different message from the same the consumer to and the provider. So that is you may have the same type with multiple times, but if you happen to know that is you can select that. So now this I will make a new. When you want to choose a select is sometime is if I delete that is coming delete from our this view, not from the model. And I don't know is now is in I model a new diagram is I have this tool dragged from the model tree, which is not we will see that in the later, but just happened by happened is you drag them without element relation, and you want to build our flow. So here is empty. So this pop-up is also coming is tell you is between these two is there's already our flow relation. Are you going to create a new? If I create a new, now is the second flow. If I select this flow is being used in this view as well. So and that is the reuse. So this is depending on the way is you want to change. And you may notice this dialog is kind of different to this one. So that is a kind a little the interesting part is the I have found out this delta and I come to the forum and give provide our question and Phil is already replied. Oh, so the forum now is has some access issue. So this dialogue in the this user guide 560 is out of date. So Phil, he will already notice that, and he will update this once he has a new version user guide to be released. So it's open. So I just raised this question. So showing this difference because I see the different dialogue, and this is quickly answered by Phil. Is he will create a new screenshot for the next release of these documents. So again, that is also one channel or one way is you can communicate with Phil and JB, so who are the two developing the Archi tool through this forum. That is interactive, and you can also try to contribute your findings, or even you have some additional idea to this Archi tool. So together, I believe is we can make the tool is better and better. So with that, anyway, is we finish this 613. Next one is we will go to the next section is about the connections and the circular relationship. See you then. Bye for now.